Boom shakalaka, it's a beautiful day as I always say. My name is Clince Verghese. I'm also known as VJ Clince. I'm a television presenter with a popular youth entertainment channel. But what's more exciting is the fact that I am super happy and proud to have completed my 6 week happiness coach training under able guidance of our mentors from Happiitude. And of course, a quick shout out to our group members for making the whole experience even much more fun. Well, I have to tell you guys, the biggest take back is the way the course has been designed helps you with a lot of framework for being a happiness coach. So, well, you might assume that you know a lot about happiness and how to work towards it, but joining this course, of course, helped me understand a lot of structural perspective towards and certain tools that I could use to now train people or to coach people rather to be a happy soul. Boom.